Hi friends, welcome to today's episode of Creative Word, and in today's episode I will help you make sticky paper heart for Valentine Day. You will need sweat paper, markers, stitch very easy to find at home, and then you will fold the papers in the directions of the arrow. And ta-da! Now we have a triangle. Next, you will open the papers again and then fold it in the same directions. And now when you open it, you will see there is like a plus sign, and now we fold it into the point at the center. Next, you will fold it all the way to the top. Continue to fold one side, make it align with the straight line you see in the middle, like that. Perfect. And now we do the same thing with the other side. Yay! And now we get a shape that looks similar to a heart. To make it look like a heart, we're gonna fold the tips in like that. The other side. And yay! Now it's almost look like a heart. We just need to fold it in a little bit more. And a little bit on the other side too. Perfect, and now we have a heart. You can use marker to decorate however you want. I put Happy Valentine Days and some little heart. You can write a message on the back or inside and give it to your friends or family. Happy Valentine Day!